Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caddy. If you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in this video guys, I'll be showing you how I achieved this half feeding braids and half crochet at the back. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this simple hairstyle, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment below and subscribe to my channel. So guys, as you guys can see, my hair is already washed and prepped. So for this video, I'll be using a Cherish BULK quarter wave crochet hair, and this is in the 22 inches in the color 1B. And I would also be using a Prestreched XPRESSION for the feeding braids, and this is also in color 1B. And I would also be using a Shine and Jam gel. So the first thing I'm going to do guys is to part my hair from ear to ear. So this is just the sectioning that I'll be doing to start my braids and also to do the crochet. So just keep watching and see how I got the sectioning in place. So now I'm going to start braiding the back. This is where I'm going to do the crochet. So I'm just going to take half of the hair from the back. I'm going to braid it from one ear to the other all the way down. I have never done this before guys. Like, this is new to me. Like, I normally do my hair, but you know, plaiting my hair or braiding my hair from one side to another, it's new to me because I've never done that. So I thought to myself, let me just do it in half and braid half down and braid the other one down. But then I thought, for the style that I'm going for, I don't think that's going to work. So I just decided to literally just try and see if I can braid my hair from one side to another. So yeah, so that's what I did. And yeah guys, I did it. But yeah guys, if I sound a bit funny, that's because I've got hay fever. You know, the weather has changed and it's not funny. But yeah, so I'm just going to braid it from one side to another going down. And this is just for where I'm going to do the crochet. So yeah, once I finished that, I just went ahead and braid the back. Literally all I did was braid everything back, and the piece that was hanging out, I just went ahead and crocheted that into the other braids so that it doesn't show or hang out. And guys, for this style, the back doesn't really need to be neat because that's where you're going to be doing the crochet. So it doesn't need to be perfect. So yeah, so I just went ahead and tucked that in, and I'm going to go ahead and section the front. This is where I will be doing the feeding braids. So at the front, I've got 8 partings. I've got 5 on one side and 3 on the other side. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start braiding my hair. So guys, like I always say, if you want your hair to look very natural at the front, make sure you start braiding your natural hair first before you go in and start adding extensions. So once you get to the end of the braids, I'm going to be adding the curly hair. This is the water wave hair. I'm just going to attach that to the end of the braids just so that it can blend in with the back. So I'm literally just attaching that to the hair, braiding it all the way as close as I can to the end, and then I'm going to tie it because I'm going to end up cutting the extra piece. So I'm just going to tie it now and make sure that's very secure, and then we're going to go ahead and continue doing that. So guys, as you guys can see, I've already installed most of the crochet hair. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this. As you guys can see, I'm already at the front of the hair. So I'm going to put the pin, the crochet pin, facing forward because I want the crochet hair to fall back so it looks very natural at the front. So I'm now going to open the pin and I'm going to put the hair into the pin, and then I'm going to close it. So there's like a little hole at the front of the pin, and then you just close it and then you pull it backward, don't pull everything backward, just pull half of it backward, because you're going to take one side of the hair and you're going to place that into the hole, and then you're going to twist it like once or twice just to make sure that the hair is secure, and then you're going to pull it together to basically tighten it and then put it backward. So yeah, so you guys are going to see what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's really it, guys. It's so easy and simple. And by the way, you have to be very careful with this hair because it can get tangled so easily. So what I do is normally pull it from one side to another just to kind of like detangle it first before I go ahead and crochet. So because I didn't show you guys how I did the back, basically what I did was facing the pin backward. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved the back. So I basically just kind of like face it backward, or whichever way you feel comfortable. Make sure the pin is open again, place the hair, go in with the same method, pulling it forward, and then, you know, placing one piece to into the hole, and then, you know, twisting it and then pull it just to make sure it's secure. That's it, really. I just wanted to show you this part of the hair because that's what I did for the back. But yeah, I guess whatever you feel comfortable with, as long as it's, you know, tight and it's secure. So guys, this is like the next day, and I literally slept because I was tired. I couldn't be bothered to do my makeup, so I slept, and the next day I just continued. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I use the mousse and the conditioner. It's basically a dip conditioner just to like detangle the hair, because like I said, this hair is no joke, guys. If you use like too much of it, you're going to have a lot of work to do, okay? This is the part I was talking about, guys. So we're going to go ahead and cut the extra hair, or the extra piece that is hanging out that is not part of the curly hair. So you're just going to cut the expression. Make sure you don't cut close to where you tied the hair, just to make sure it doesn't loosen out. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do for every single one of them. And now I'm going to go ahead and use some mousse, and I would also be using some African Best dip conditioner just to kind of like detangle the hair and make it a bit, I don't know, soft, make it detangled, make it I don't know how to explain this part, guys, but I guess you know what I mean. Next time I feel like I should just use less hair, but I guess because my head is so tiny, I thought I needed a lot more hair. But it's all up to you how thick or how full you want it, because this hair can be really messy, guys. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just add some of the mousse, and also I went off and add some water just so that I can get it like this, basically. So yeah, I'm just gonna repeat the same method, and then I'm gonna go off and do my makeup. So guys, this is the final look. Guys, I'm so happy with this hairstyle. I know I'm late to the party, I know, but the most important thing is I made it to the party, because this hairstyle has been going on for like couple of months now, and I've just decided to do it. But yeah, it's so easy, it's so cheap and affordable. Some people use weave. Obviously, if you have the money to buy the weave, you might as well do that, because it's human hair and it would last, because this hair ain't gonna last. Like, I feel like after a couple of days it might get tangled, but at the end of the day, it's not bad for maybe a couple of days, and just for a cute look, it's something different. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you want to see more of this type of hairstyle, and also don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, if you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.